Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, let's take a quick look at the new Gardens card feature in Grow a Garden 2. So with this Garden card, you can play once every day and get a chance to refill different cards containing various rewards. And to do that, just tap on this icon, this card icon, and then in here you will see the garden cards menu like this. And then to play it, just tap on play, and then in here you need to flip one card. For example, I want to choose this one like this, and the first card you refill each day can usually be claimed for free like this, so just claim it like this. And after that you need to choose another card like this, and for the second card usually require you to spend Robux on here to purchase it. So make sure you have enough Robux on here if you want to buy the items on here. But before buying, you can see exactly what rewards the card contains and how much it costs, so you can decide whether it's worth it or not. And then there's another important benefit. If you decide to purchase this card, the second card, it will also increase your garden card tier. So if you have enough Robux, just buying the cards, and it will help you progress through the tiers while also giving you additional rewards. And okay, that's how the new Gardens card system works. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!